from UNV Service Center, UAE. Many customers are complaining about iPhone notification. Like even they set they make all settings like activating alarm, for example, like here this one is already activated alarm. Everything is okay, but not receiving notification. Now in Android there is no such issues. See now this notification already here received. Now I'll test. See, in Android, I already received the notification. You can see the notification is receiving, but in iPhone, not receiving. Okay. Now I will show you what is the reason for this. In iPhone, you have to go to this work, this focus. Maybe you selected work or home, anything. In this particular focus settings, you go to the settings and go here and select add app. In add app, you have to select UNV link and click done. Okay. Now I'll clear the Android also. Now you see, in both its notifications are coming. So the reason is even if you do all the settings notification in Android main settings, you have to go to this settings and activate allowed application UNV link. Okay, thank you.